Hi guys, happy Sunday afternoon. Come, let's check out Albertine Beach here in Abu Dhabi. Hi, where are you going?
We are going to the beach.
Since our plan of playing badminton today was cancelled because there is no one to play with, so we decided to see a beach today because it's been a while also since we didn't go to the beach. So here in Albertine Beach, the one thing I observed was the water is more cleaner than Cornice Beach. And also they have here some small huts for the people to sit in a shade when they're doing picnic with the family, especially when a little big family. Since it's Sunday, so expected already that there are too many people here at the beach.
This scene feels like what I once saw on a screen. I searched for a boy on a screen. I've never seen someone lit from within, blurring out my periphery, my smile.
They have also here pala like this foot massage. So syempre, hindi pwedeng palampasin ni Inday yan. So ayan, ayan nga, itinry ko rin yung foot massage nila dito. A little bit painful but it feels good. So ito nga pala yung sinasabi kong park for children. If after swimming they want to play. And dito rin pala sa beach, meron din pala silang activity if you want to play volleyball and soccer also. They have here also. So it's really nice here. So ayan na nga ang aking mag-ama. My baby, he really likes to be in the water also. So even sometimes we have to bring him to the beach.